Morning. Right now we are watching Hurricane Matthew make landfall on Haiti. Certainly a devastating situation right there. We've already seen storm surge 10 to 12 feet. We're having the devastating rains. The flooding's already happening. Those damaging winds, everything. Right now on Haiti, it's a really devastating situation as this hurricane continues to track northward. As we mentioned, Cuba, the next in its sights. And eventually, unfortunately, looks like Florida in play as well. The latest track does bring the east coast of Florida into that cone of uncertainty. So we're back watching this very closely in terms of impacts for southwest Florida. Still looks minimal, but as that trend continues to track westward, it's something that we are not writing off. It looks like at the very least some gustier winds in southwest Florida moving into the end of the week.